from nothing, I grind, I bleed. Every scar is a lesson I feed into the rage that I keep inside. Try to bury, I will die. Push me down, I rise again. Every loss just feeds the end. You can try, but you won't break me. Turn that pain into energy. Spit it out, let it play. Every demon out of me. Break me down, I come back 10 times harder than you had. No control, no resting. Turn my pain into the weight that I carry, that I use for the fire I refuse to lose. Tick, tick, time bomb brain. Every second beating pain. I don't stop, I don't fold, even when the world turns cold. Got a target on my back, let it stay. I've been fighting every day, no sleep, no peace, just drive. I'm too pissed off to not survive. I've been down in the dirt too long. Turn my pain into a song. Every word that I confess takes the weight off my chest. Spit it out, let it play. Every demon out of me. Break me down, I don't care. I come back from anywhere, but from the pressure, the pain, the fight turns every wrong into something right. You can knock, I don't care, but the best from anywhere, but from the pressure, the pain, the fight turns every wrong into something like. You can knock me down, but I won't stay. I rebuild stronger every day.